Today we're going to be learning about biconditional statements and Venn diagrams. Our objectives is that we will know when to use and be able to write a biconditional statement. We will be able to interpret Venn diagrams and use them to represent set relationships such as intersection and union, and we will be able to use symbols of formal logic. A biconditional statement is true both ways, meaning the conditional and the converse are both true. The format for them is you will have the hypothesis, then if and only if, which is abbreviated IFF, and then the conclusion. Symbolically, we have P for our hypothesis, and then for if and only if, we use the double arrow, and then Q for our conclusion. So given the conditional, if the sides of a triangle are congruent, then the triangle is equilateral. If we write the converse of this, we would say if the triangle, and I'm just going to use the symbol triangle, is equilateral, then the sides of a triangle are congruent, which means they are all the same length, which is also what equilateral means. So since both of these are true, we can write it as a biconditional. The sides of a triangle are congruent if and only if, which I'm going to abbreviate IFF, if the triangle is equilateral. So we have some additional symbolic notation. If and only if our IFF is shown with the double arrows. We have an and. It looks like a triangle without its bottom. The way I think of this is it almost looks like a capital A. It's just missing the line in the middle, and it starts with and. Or is a V shape, and therefore, a little typo, whoops, is 3 dots in the shape of a triangle. So let's translate these statements into symbolic form. P is going to be a quadrilateral that has 4 sides. Q is going to be a rhombus, is a quadrilateral. R is a rhombus, has 4 sides. And S is a rectangle, is a quadrilateral. So a rhombus has 4 sides. Rhombus has 4 sides, that was our green one. And a rhombus is a quadrilateral, that was yellow. So our green part was R, and is the up caret. A rhombus is a quadrilateral was Q. In our second statement, a quadrilateral has 4 sides, that's pink. And a rhombus has 4 sides, it's green. Therefore, a rhombus is a quadrilateral. So when we have therefore, we're going to write it in a second line. So our first line would be P and are, and then underneath it, therefore Q.